Once upon a time, in a lush, green valley, lived a small ibex named Ike. Ike was not like the other ibexes. He had a bright, shining horn and a heart full of curiosity. One day, Ike decided to explore the valley. He climbed up the tallest mountain, hopped across the rushing river, and ran through the vast meadows. As he journeyed, he met a wise old owl who lived in a hollow tree. The owl told Ike, "Always remember, Ike, the world is full of wonders, but remember to be careful." Ike thanked the owl and continued his adventure. He saw a beautiful waterfall, a sleepy snake, and even a family of foxes playing hide and seek. Suddenly, a storm rolled in. Ike was far from home and the rain was getting heavy. He felt scared, but he remembered the wise old owl's words. Ike found a cozy cave and curled up inside. He fell asleep, dreaming of his adventure and the wonders he would discover tomorrow. When he woke up, the sun was shining brightly. Ike found his way home, where his family and friends were waiting. They welcomed him back with open arms. From that day on, Ike never forgot the adventure he had and the lessons he learned. He grew up to be a wise and brave ibex, always ready for the next adventure. And every night, he would tell his own children about his exciting journey, inspiring them to be curious and careful too. The end.